Am I live? Yes. Okay. Hello, friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. Um, I'm very happy to be here on Facebook Live, and I'm sure that all of you are all safe and sound in your own respective homes watching this live stream. The purpose of me coming on live Facebook is number one, to reach out to all of you, my friends from Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, and also from Garo Hills, to reach out and to let you know that as a government, despite the kind of challenges that we all are facing right now, the kind of problems that all of us are facing, we want to assure you as a government that all is being done. Our government is proactively pursuing many of the challenges that we face. And I can see that you can't hear. So, is it better now? Can you hear me better? I mean, just let me know if the volume is not enough. Okay, so as I was saying that I'm very happy to be here, and I want to assure you that the government of Meghalaya is doing everything to ensure that number one, the first and foremost, the most important and imperative function right now is to ensure the safety in terms of the health for our people of the state. And also, of course, we are also looking in at other aspects like food and essential items. There have been many challenges, and we faced a lot of difficulties, but now I believe that we've been able to resolve quite some of them, and things are now more streamlined. And we are very thankful to Almighty God that Meghalaya has only seen 12 cases so far, out of which 11 are still active and one unfortunately passed away. But this figure of 11 active cases has, by God's grace, remained stagnant and static, and which is a very good thing. And I hope and I pray that this remains the same. We assure all of you that the government is doing its level best in every sense, and there are a lot of challenges, and if there are any problems, I want this live stream or on Facebook to be an interactive session rather than me speaking in a one-sided manner. I would like to invite all of you. I can see the comments which are coming in. If there is anything that you would like to ask, you can always type in your comments, so I can then reply to those comments if there are any kind of clarifications, if there are any confusion that you would like to seek, or if there are any kind of issues or concerns that you would like to highlight, you can please ask me. And if the comments are in English, I'll reply in English. Unfortunately, I won't be able to reply in Khasi, but for our friends in Garo Hills, I will be happy to reply in Garo also. So if there are any comments, please feel free to ask me. But in any case, as I was saying, that food and civil supplies, the department that I'm handling, it has been very challenging, no doubt, because of transportation basically, and many of the logistics which are involved in transportation of food grains and other food items, like vegetables and other things, they have really been affected very badly, and many people have really suffered a lot because of that. But now we are taking a daily briefing, and for my friends from Garo Hills, I would like to tell you, that we have been really monitoring Garo Hills constantly also. So kasar pengrang daw dengtang problem rang donging ensem daw ta chani rangani bostu rang ni bidongo merong rang ni bidongo andiba yarang ko changa mijao ni niatinga aro dawa nga kadongia nga dalo ya nakba problem rang ban in kanirang dao solve khana kata government yarang ko naha na simang masingen dao deputy commissioner rang namen rakke kam khainga un baksaba chunga ye transportation mongsong bate rangni mongsong bate transportation mirong rangni aro dengtang tang salantio nangba bosu rangni transportation rangni bidong oba chunga saksa IS officer ko commissioner secretary ni level ni IS officer ko aro saksa IPS officer di IG level ni officer ko chunga mijau donata ha yarangan coordinate khaimna dao bosurang maiba takemna sokpana kata maiba ning kanirang donggen smo oba yarang ko warmang solve kana kata donata ha iningman yarang chi bangen chunga solve kana ma ha problem rang kor pengrang andi ba da shang ni agana kata mai ko ba na sibang concerns ba problems rang donggen smo ode yarang ko na sung na ba man gen comments rang na sung type kat na kata man gen ner pengrang there have been a lot of concerns which have come regarding food grains. I would like to, concentrate a little more on food and civil supplies, about, certain places where little bit of, complaints have come in terms of price, the prices which have shot up. And I would just like to say this, that we are very concerned about the kind of the manner in which prices have gone up. The situation is such that today we must also, understand that the amount of problems that people have had in terms of transporting their grocery items or food grains, many people have faced that problem. So they have, I would not say taken advantage, but I would say that they have factored in all that expenditure into the price of essential commodities, and that's why maybe in some cases there have been a lot of price rise that has taken place. But we are constantly in touch with people, and now I think the market is more or less stabilizing, and these kind of problems will be very, very less now. So friends, I'm so sorry, it's not scrolling on its own. Damko nirokat bode kiji. So kolachi sang paling. Okay. Dao jetin rong marak ni comment tonga. Kema kai bujok ta siong scroll down ka jani gimen nakcha jo. Mande saksani agan ka ba dao jetin ni agan ka ba. Wan mirong rang ni dam bariya ni gimen agan ni ga. Ndigi ong yemo pengrang dao mirong plak bosurangi daman dao de thangdoinga mining man maina dao mirong malikrangan jerangan yarangko chelgaba biaprangoni ko rabainga wa maangba dao labor rangko manjani aselo dam batte warangna nangingjok labor rangna loading unloading ni khoros pataha un baksa ba transportation ni cost rangba pataha yarangko wa mang aganinga 안층바 아가 비숑나 작게 돼 아간자 안디바 안층 고바 마치 작나 난겐 다오그다 살바그바 라바그바 보스랑바 다오 시츄에이션 다오 코비드 니 안층 사칸티 느끼야 바탄 방엔 닉니칸이랑코 public랑 만나하 독한달랑바 만나하 닉면 와망 보스랑 라바니 비동고 방엔 닉니칸이랑코 만나니면 레버랑니 코러스랑니 담랑 바타니면 하이다 보스랑바 담 바팅에 놓건 Andiba tsenga yarangko namen monitor kainga kasar pengrang aro yarangko tsenga dao niatem na dao bangbata biap rangwan tsenga yarangko dao de thangwan natna nahar pengrang andiba dao mai barak ba problem rang donggen chim ode na simang tsengna ba kanat to aro dao food and civil supplies ni toll free gesa number donga 1967 gaba ya number on na song phone khaiba complain rangko ba concerns rangko asmang yarangko chungda yato ma siato no chunga yarangko niatna joton khatna mangen pengrang inagre okay chegrek raksamni de daud pet chikan dongenga ni siatinga jebong bo namjo kusiunga yarangko ma siani gemen diba problem rang dongode agan bone chungnane. So, okay. There's a question by Gabriel Momin. apalchi dongeng kepa student rang na mai cholko dakinga. Okay. He's asking about students who are from outside, who are stranded, who are not being able to come back. Yani gman dao Gabriel moments ngatinga. Yakot au anga lagi akan atas kinga Gabriel. Tsenga list rangko tsenga makna ha. Badia biap rango student rang san ungjan diba dao anga mungsa example ko akan atkin Bangalore jekai. Bangalore and Chini student rang community rang belongin banga bisarang dao chi porai ke parang un baksa ba uchi kham kha parang ba banga wa mang ba mijao ya covid lockdown wani aselo reba phla man jajok dao wa mang ba kham gri takimna dao de beton ko man jainga pangin nik kani rang ko malinga dao ya Bangalore ni example ko son nenga kepen biap rang ba changa apsan takke changa iko dak kham ko kainga tsenga mana de tsenga ya list rangko tsenga ready ka amna tsenga mana ha sakan tini phone number rangko tsenga sandia ha sakan tinan anchini officer rang bisongna phone ka atimna wamang akan atinga dao amkan asong maiban in kanirang dongama nimna warmang jamande antang bano biap bano dongia warang ko akan atinga aro tsenga Karnataka government jekai Bangalore ngode Bangalore ni Karnataka government baksa akan gerke senga wa maangna nekne kanirang donga ode mirong rangko essential items rangko kuma kon senga bisongna sukatinga da od peter pengra iningman aro constantly senga phone wa maang interact ka ingane iningman anga chanchia da streamline nga ha da wa maang de ba phna des kinga da bat ka ba concern de da ode we all want to come back chunga dongna dao bangin nik kani khom ananigman we are having so many problems we want to come back and nimna kaninga mo dao de ya na de meraken notice na de chunga dao allow khainga ha maina notice te bangin nik kani dongjawa maina wam ang gari raiba basoba jeoba bisong ibana mangen dao gatham tarik bri tarik ni jamano chunga expect khainga lockdown is ngang de yarang ko chunga bapla mangen notice so dong parang inigman warang na registration na changa dao cholko ninga chingna uyat kan Meghalaya sorkari na changa nakba biapo Assamo but changa Tripura ba Arunachal Pradesh ba Nagaland Mizoram jeba biapo changa achkrang donga changa kam ka inga cha inga ba porainga iriba pnas kinga unko chingna masiat kan registration ni gata and then we will facilitate changa warang ko ramba phna changa facilitate khatken khasar pengram diba da ogata chelga pa bya prang dong parang je khai Bangalore Bombay Pune Delhi rango phorek parang na de tao wade India sorkari lockdown is khani somaya ba khomya tani somayo air travel aro rail travel ko lau ka ma kha jawa wa ko dao sandia meba wade unosa phangcha kai geno ne khasar pengram ni man dao air travel, rail travel ko lau ka ausa. Chilau dong pa mandirang bari mana matgen. Re bana matna ngode tsenga yaning manjajeng na nangjar pengrang wa maang ni re bap lani ko tsenga niate muna tsenga facilitate khat ken ne. Okay, there's one comment by Butkit Cooper Mukim. So he's asked me to direct officials to strictly monitor the extra charges. So I'd like to inform you, Butkit, that we are monitoring it. There is an act which has been, it has been put into effect and put into force, which is, the Prevention of Black Marketing and Hoarding of Essential Commodities, 1980 Act. I think Section 4 is very clear on this matter. If I'm not wrong, it's Section 4. But it's very clear on this matter that anyone found to be resorting to such kind of malpractices, we will be really dealing with them with a very firm hand. I have already instructed my deputy commissioners, our deputy commissioners, to identify any such cases, and if they are verified and found to be true, we will be taking the strictest action. I mean, penal action for that matter. So there will be a case that will be registered, and if they're found guilty, they will be, brought to justice. So this I assure you, and we are trying our best. This is a very difficult situation, and I'm very sure that all of you understand this. That you understand that this is a problem that we have, for which a lot of problems are there, and you will be understanding, I hope. Okay, There's one point by Kimberlin Marak. So he's talking about vegetables coming in from Assam. I will verify that. I will definitely check with Tura DC, and I will tell him that such kind of reports are there, and that DC should take action on this regards. Reaching some Kongwang, you have mentioned about the publishing of price list to be displayed in every shop retailer. Let me assure you that this is an instruction we've given to all our DCs. They are supposed to mandatorily paste the rates of the items. And those who are not, please, if you have any specific cases, please let us know. And we will be definitely, we will definitely try to act upon that. I am not very sure what Lorenzo Pearson Wargery is saying, but if there are any problems in Kahumrin near Ichamati, I will talk to the SDO Civil, who is in charge of the area, and I will definitely look into it. So there is not much time left for my Facebook. I have only 4 minutes left. So anyway. And then Truman Sangma has mentioned about salary deferment. Kaani pal salsani hajira ko donation ne biskao namba chawachma. Yara da odi problem demo. Truman the problem ongia COVID ni aselo dao situation financially belongin dao anchini Meghalaya ni economy effect onga hamo Truman. Ini aselo dao de salsani hajira chungjawa. So ini gaman ya deferment ara chade khali public ko sa daw anchingni government service ka parang ko degi mol sa mol nga mo chak china maina chingaban thangi salary ko defer khainga minister rangban MLA rangban IS officer rang MCS officer gamakan thangi salary ko defer khainga ini gaman dakba somayo longin bangin ning kanirang donga aranga ma singa public ni ning kanirang ba donga daw gata somayo salary defer kha ramram khatha ungja ini gemen nige molnaskia hayan ching mo daw gata somayo dakba chakka ning kanirang ko hayan ching sakantien chakkem na ching na simangni support ko changa nanga na simang support kha china government na ini gemen nanga ya ko na simang ko mol na gata skinga salary deferment changa ba masia batan public rang na ning kanirang donga deba mamung mengpen ya rang ko counter kha na gata daw anga yan nambat ka pachol ongya ro yan yakon anga de daon chingim magba phagba angi jonga da no abirang ko dawanga mol na taskinga okay there are so many comments coming. I'm so sorry I'm not being able to answer or reply back to all of them, and plus my time is running out. Yes, Veronica Kashing, there's economic crisis. We have to all prepare ourselves for the economic crisis that we have. There is a lot we are asking from the public, and I know that all of you will be facing so many difficulties, but our appeal to all of you is that let us stand together in this. It's not going to be easy. This situation suddenly came, and all of us were caught unaware, and today with God's grace, at least, we should be thankful that there are not many cases. It's very unfortunate that one of our patients passed away. That is very unfortunate. God bless his soul. But, thankfully, our cases have remained static and stagnant at 11 active cases that we have right now. But the economic crisis that we will be facing is something that is a big concern, and all we ask from the public is your support at this crucial moment. Oe area jakstram koknal problem donga inan angaban na simangna kona kani salary ni bidongo de kasapai chakchina ya de mai ko takken ndakba dau anching Meghalaya sa nong jane de ba gammak state rango anching India songsa nong ja agal sak gammak kon ndakba rang ko manderang chagrong gunok ini gaman ya ko de anching de chakchna nangen kasar pengrang aro yan changa khadongia bangi rute changa dakna nangjawa ya dao deferment gaba ya salary ko bon kha jainga diba khali defer kha sa khainga mo jagni ni salary ko jagni jamano mangen anga pa ko san dakinga ne then Manoj Jain, the situation after 3rd of Meghalaya will depend to a large extent on what the government of India does in terms of easing of the lockdown. So a lot depends on that. So we are looking at government of India and how they will be either easing it, what kind of ways that they will be bringing in to bring back life to normalcy or to adapt to a situation which is so new for all of us. We are looking at government of India, but I can just assure you that we are very very concerned about the hardships that people are facing right now, and we hope हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जितना हम लोग नॉर्मल सी में वापस हम लोग जा सके, हम लोग पूरी तरह उसका हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग उस तरीके से हम लोग नॉर्मल सी में वापस जाएं. लेकिन दिक्कतें हैं, बहुत सारी कठिनाइयां हैं, चैलेंजेस हैं, और आप सबका हमें सहयोग चाहिए. ओके, सो हाउ मच टाइम डू आई हैव? Do I have some more time? Okay, I have some more time. So Vikram, Mr. Vikram Dugar, rail and air services, they are not dependent on, we do not take that decision. Mr. Vikram, that decision will be taken by the government of India, and we are looking at what kind of relaxations government of India will give post, relaxation after the 3rd of May. And Assam ni mandirang shilongo kam kae chagaparang na songona rebana cholko na pachina sir. Anamesh Marak. Anamesh dao gatam ya Assam ni mandirang jerangan shilongo dao kam kae nga warang na tsinga wa mangna riang pulna gata tsinga yan gatam tarik ni jamano bongwa onni depet tsinga yarang ko tsinga dakchakani ko tsinga ongen arwa mang riang pula man gen ne anamesh nigman jajring jachina mai raken na dakba obosarang ngaha deba dao bonga thadik ni jamano de tsinga khasansin manderang ko yang pulna gata tsinga yarang ko cholang ko dakki ongen wa mangna khali khosa lagani do naibo je manderang donga Assam ni dao shilongo kam kaingpa wa mang dao government na ma siat kan uyat kan tsinga dakba songoni tsinga kam kainga Assam ni biaponi yang pulna gata tsinga ba dakchakani ba cholko china gata yakoba agan natna mangen ne na simangan dakchakai bijok yarang ko agan natna tsinga bat pangki ko de tsinga bisongna facilitate khat ken notice ni apalchi banga de sauba chana nangna dongjainga dao kunirash kemarak kunirash dao notice ni apal o donggo parang jerangan donga konda shwa khaliwa Bangalore ni example ko na mo diba example ni kita san na chim diba gamuk nan changa je ranga na chungni Meghalaya state ni manderang donga phalo kham kha ga parang ba phore ga parang bangin ing kan irang ko ba mana ha wa mangna changa phone oba changa wa mangna contact khatinga na song mai ba problem donga ma dongja ma yarang ko changa sandia tinga aro sanding na changa wa mangna nangaba bosurang ko ba changa sokatinga jekai Assam ni ode changa Assam government ba Arunachal ode Arunachal government ngagan grke wa mangna changa je rakode chanir ngani bosturang aro dungtang dang nangani bosturang ko changa bisongna sokatinga ne. Mr. Deep Chaudhary, if there is a bereavement or if there is anyone who has died or if such kind of emergencies are there wherein someone is on deathbed, I would like to request you to reach out to the deputy commissioner. I don't know which district you're from, but if there is a case in Assam, somebody wants to visit their dying parents, or if unfortunately anyone has passed away, then they can reach out to deputy commissioner. We are making we have to be considerate of such kind of situations, and please do reach out to us and let us know. We will try to help out in the best possible way to facilitate people traveling to visit their dying parents, or if there is a bereavement, to attend the last rites. We will try to help out. And then school rang ni khuli Mr. Tuton Banerjee, you've asked in Garo, very interesting. Schools, we are still taking a call. The decision is being arrived at. Our Honorable Minister of Education is on the job right now, But I don't think immediately schools will be allowed to, start functioning. This is a very, very critical sector because our children are very susceptible and are very vulnerable. So we have to be very considerate of that fact. So I don't think schools immediately will be open. But yes, education department and our education minister is carefully examining this matter. Thalseng Sangma, sir, private school, bisarangni monthly, ko jagatham na gamja china ungapani gaman namme masina skinga chamaina private teacher rang the salary ko months. Yani gaman thalseng anga ya ko namme masi jainga yani gaman de deba anga ya ko sandia team na education department chi na dingthang manchanga nangi bimang ko note kai ar kya thalseng na jamano dingthang manchanga lat kenne thalseng sangma. Okay, education. Okay, nigata notice ni apalchi dongpa rangna thangka ungpa proof dongba napku jainga yani gaman bangija thalat pabo. Mr. Frankenstein na ya relief ni gata notice ni apalchi dongpa rangna thangka dengthang mancha yara specifically maiba case rang donga ode angna uyat pone Frankenstein yako mana je relief rang ko chinga unatinga bangbatan warang de manthok ni aro dashi angni agana gata chinga sakan thinan phone number je rangni number rang donga warang na te phone kai chinga sing atinga ne. Question rang banga sakan thini question rang ko de answer khana manjaing do khema khai bojok ne deba na de petanga try khai ni nga ne. Okay, what is this? Can you please, Mr. Senkush, Senkush, can you just elaborate what MSSAT department is? If you can just, elaborate on that. Then migrant workers who are stranded outside Northeast. As I said that it's not just students, but workers, be it migrant workers, be it people who are employed in restaurants, in the service industry, hospitality industry, all of them, we are reaching out to all of them, and we are inquiring about how they are and if they are facing any problems. If there are certain cases who we may have missed out, if there are, then I would like to I request all of you, if you're aware of such cases, please revert back to us. You can message me on Facebook or on Twitter and let me know that this particular person has not been getting any relief, and this particular person's phone number and contact number is such and such, and this is where he is. Just let me know. District Raksam Rangsha Marak na Riboy district to tunging pa achkrang ni gaman akaning akon chingni Assam ni kam kai chag parang yakon yanang ni Facebook ko message wata taibo contact number ang wama ang ni saksani ba sakni ni contact number ko ang na wata taibo ne WhatsApp mane Facebook ko ba Twitter ro ang na message ka taibo contact number ko chinga warang na contact ka imna mana gemek nan chinga joton ka inga diba mai ba takim na miss out ka na ba donga mo ningman yarang donga ngode ang na uya taibo ne. Okay, Schnein, Mr. Schnein Dingdo, I will try to answer. It becomes very long if I translate everything from Garo to English, but I'll try to reply some of them in a mixed manner. Okay, so Mr. Diki Sangma has mentioned about 25 ambulances. No, second hand. These vehicles, ambulances are not second hand. They are new ambulances, and these new ambulances are with critical care. So these are going to be very helpful. We already have a fleet of 44. Tao ansungo existing 44 ambulances tao duty kainga. Diba tao ya 44 ni kosako tao ya gi Kokborok ponga sokpaha. So apart from the 44 that we already have, we have now got 25 additional new ambulances, and these are also being pressed into now duty. So these are very important. Ambulances are very critical, and these have been purchased by the Honorable Chief Minister from his Chief Minister's Relief Fund. So these are not second hand, these are new ambulances. Katal ambulances rang sane. Private school rang ba monthly fees rakshrang nengmenza sangma. We yani gamen sanchia we private school rang de and then they chare government na sa akan na de matna ya. We can only tell government schools, but yes, private schools also out of concern and being considerate that the situation ko maashi chakim na fees ko raja china, we are also telling them. Caracas Rungmutu has said Yachin Daki Molmalatinga Interdistrict movement ko Dako Assam border Jekai Mendi Pathar Pulbari Singhi Mari area Rangode district count Namkugin Maina Wa area Rangode Nakayunigaman Nakin Sapo. Acha Mr. Karak Rungmutu Dao ya ko na simang na we assure ka na skinga sanga namme dao movement ko aba chingin mo ba ya ko sanga namme monitor ka gen napag pa ko ba arong khat ka parang ko maina dao the interstate movement rang ko de sanga de dao lockdown ease out ngen jo ko na after the 3rd of May uning men ya ko de sanga law ka na ngen maina bang nga na chingni apalchi porai ka ba dao da kam ka parang warang ko sanga ramba phal na nanginga. But we will be making sure that they will be properly screened. May monitor again, and whoever is there, whoever will be coming back after the 3rd lockdown is eased. We will be monitoring that. Assurance ko naskinga may come again. Ya Pulbari Mendi Pathar or Singimari area san ongja and deba state kamuk kon nga may check again. Mande napag parang ko din inigman yan ang ningmande jajang na nang tao ba nga na main check ka inga nasimang masingen dao gari rang ba napay nga may na ching mirong rang ko de raban na lang yun so na gari rang driver handyman napay nga wa mangko ba nga na main check ka inga inigman we will be monitoring all these things, I assure you. Nang na yako kuchak na skin ko din na may nga niat ken. What else? Mr. Akhir Islam. So, if you are a resident of Halidayganj, you have to reach out to आपको है ना आखिर असलाम जी आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट जैसे तुरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हुआ वहाँ पे आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा कि मैं हलीदेगंज से हूँ और मैं वापस आना चाहता हूँ, मैं असम में हूँ. अगर ऐसी स्थिति है तो फिर जैसे प्रोटोकॉल्स हम लोगों ने एक प्रोसीजर हम लोगों ने तैयार किया है और आपको डीसी को कांटेक्ट करके अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको बताया जाएगा कि आप कैसे वापस आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये सिर्फ 5 तारीख के बाद ही 5 मई के बाद ही हो पाएगा, संभव होगा. इसलिए आप डीसी से संपर्क में रहिएगा. अच्छा सर, या लॉकडाउन सोमायो Askatang dake dengtang biaprang bostuni tamrangko Rachel Marak ada shun agana da aganjok damrang ni bidungo tsinga mana de betsinga joton ka inga yarangko arakken yarangko DC rang na ba agana ta aro mande rang na ba uyatinga prevention of hoarding and black marketing essential items warang ni maba rules rang donga yarang ni rules so pangchakke chinga dakba rang ko action rang again ini men da arang ba dakcha china ya ko chinga raken adisi rang na ba kana ta ne. So I'm so sorry my friends that my time is up and it's been really nice. I will be coming back on Facebook Live very often, and so I can interact and take questions and interact with you. I know all of you have so many questions, and I apologize that I've not been able to take all the questions. But Paya Bashkem Karkongar, yes, people will be put under quarantine, or they have to be self-quarantine. Those people who will come from outside, there is the procedure is the same for everybody. So everyone will be coming and will be quarantined. So don't worry about that. Till now it's been very effective. Meghalaya model has been very good, and that is why we've not had any more cases, as you are already aware. It's only been 11 active cases, one unfortunately deceased, but these 12 have been stagnant. So that's because we've been really having all the standard protocols in place, procedure in place. So everything will be the same, right? Um, so now, dear friends, before I conclude, I would just like to say this, that post 3rd of May, as in when the government of India will start easing the lockdown, I would like to inform you that slowly and slowly we will try to bring back life to normalcy. It will not be the same as it was before because of the COVID situation. Life is going to be very different. We will have to start adapting ourselves to this new environment where all these kind of safety measures are always kept in mind. We will allow inter-district movements post the lockdown is, after it is eased after the third, starting from the 5th. So inter-district movements will be allowed, but not from the red zone, which is East Khasi Hills. So we were just waiting for us, those patients who are there, COVID patients, some of them are still positive. As and when they become negative, then when we move East Khasi Hills district from red to orange to a green zone, then only we will be allowing inter-district movement from East Khasi Hills to other districts. Till then, only those zones which are in the green zone will be allowed for inter-district movements. Then as I said, we are working out ways and means to bring back our students, our people who are working outside, to come back to the state of Meghalaya. And depending on whether air and rail travel is allowed, we will see how we can manage that. If air and rail travel are not allowed, then we will have to only see those people who are stuck outside, who are in the northeast, who can just take a bus or a car and come back to state of Meghalaya. So those kind of movements we will try to facilitate. So, Khasar Pengrang, friends, thank you so much for joining me. It's been so many comments, and so many clarifications you have asked. Please feel free to come back again, because I will definitely post on my timeline, on my wall, when I will have the next Facebook Live to interact with each and every one of you. So I'm so sorry if I've not been able to take your comments. Please, understand that there's so many comments who are coming in. And again, I give you my assurance that our Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, this government is really, we are working very hard. All of us are in office every day. I come to the office every day, and we are very concerned about our state, our people. And please feel free. Do not hesitate to reach out to any of us. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless our state, our people, and keep us safe from this challenge and this crisis. And thank you so much once again. So I'm signing off now, and I hope to see you all very soon. Thank you so much. Kublai Shibun Matela.